are by far my favorite tool. I use them far more than any other tool for doing the kind of work that I do on my blog, on the Linkator blog. And because of that, I think it's really important to get high quality ones, especially if you intend to do any sort of chainmail that involves opening and closing a lot of jump rings, because you want to get ones that feel good in your hands. But before we get there, I just want to show you. So flat nose plier is, as the name suggests, it's pliers that are flat on the end, and they come in all, shapes and sizes. I will show you two other ones. You can see these ones, they're a little smaller and the head's a little narrower, and these, the heads are about the same size, but the handles are a little smaller. So there's definitely a variety of kinds you can get. I really like these because they just feel so good in my hands. They are pricier than these two styles, but for me it was worth the investment. So it just depends on what type of jewelry making you're doing and how much of it. If you're just starting out and you're not sure, I would recommend starting with something smaller and more affordable, and I will link to all of these pliers separately. But for me, it was worth buying the more expensive pair because I just like how they feel in my hand. The other thing to note is with flat nose pliers, you will want two pairs of them, because when you are opening and closing a lot of jump rings, you need one kind of to grip the jump ring with and another one to do a lot of the legwork. So it's important that you have two. And what's also great about flat nose pliers is that the way that they hold the rings, you're less likely to nick or kind of scratch the jump rings versus like the needle nose pliers, which I talk about in another video. I found that those scratched my rings more because the metal is a little soft and you just have to be really careful about how you grip them. So with a flat nose plier, I found it just holds on to jump rings better, and so that you're less likely to scratch the metal.